Tech Future. Explore the future today.
Welcome to Tech Future. In this episode, we step into the world of innovative tools and inventions that will take your home security to the next level. AI cameras aren't always reliable, and having people watch a place 24/7 is costly and intrusive. That's why Deep Sentinel combines both approaches. Their smart cameras spot suspicious activity and alert a human operator, who can then use the speaker to scare off intruders. It's simple and effective, without always needing to call the police, although the operator will do so if necessary. This system is incredibly quick and capable of catching and stopping a robbery or kidnapping attempt in about 30 seconds. Plus, it's really easy to set up. You just install the cameras, connect them to a wireless hub, and use an app to configure everything. The whole process takes only about half an hour. Meanwhile, APS has expanded its catalog with more types of safety sensors. Alongside their usual microwave sensors, they now offer infrared sensors and some that use both technologies. Take the MW110, for example. It's an infrared photoelectric sensor that can detect up to 110 meters. It's perfect for monitoring large areas because it's unaffected by rain, fog, or frost. Then there's the MW210, a classic microwave sensor with integrated sender and receiver components in a single unit, providing protection up to 15 meters. The MW310 is also impressive. It detects temperature changes and movement within its range, creating a microwave wall. Each MW310 can monitor an area up to 11 meters wide. Imagine your yard as the lawn of your dreams, but all the neighborhood cats, dogs, squirrels, and other animals are rushing towards it like it's a Disneyland for them. No need to worry. Let the yard enforcer handle it. This system tracks intruders with an infrared sensor and shoots water at them from a distance of 11 meters, using only 2 cups of water per shot. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it guarantees 7,500 on-off cycles. You can program the sprinkler to run only during the day, only at night, or 24 hours a day. With adjustable jet intensity, the Yard Enforcer is also suitable for lawn watering. The sprinkler, without batteries, costs $85. Check out the AnyMine. This impressive device not only detects movement within 5 meters, but also jumps up to spread its balls even further. The AnyMine costs $106. Take a look at this thin, see-through film. You might think it couldn't stop much, maybe just a not-so-bright cat, right? But check this out. In this video, a guy is attacking it with a hammer, a machete, and even a pickaxe, and it doesn't break. How is that possible? They're made of Lexan and polycarbonate, the same materials used for police shields and airplanes. Install a few of these on your windows, and you've got a simple yet incredibly tough barrier against burglars. But there's more. It's hard to see in the video, but along the edges of each sheet, there are slots for alarm system wires. Another plus is the price. The makers didn't go overboard, offering a set of 6 sheets, each a meter long, for $95. You can't steal what you can't see. That's the pitch for the Zero Vision system. If a burglar breaks into your house, the entire place fills with fog within 45 seconds. Don't worry, it's safe for people and pets, but it will definitely make it hard for the thief to find their way out. The setup is wireless, and one unit can fog up to 100 square meters. But what if someone is just heading to the kitchen for a midnight snack? You don't want them walking into a horror movie, right? Well, they've thought of that. The system comes with cameras and motion detectors, monitored by an operator. If things look suspicious, the operator will activate the fog themselves. This process usually takes about 30 seconds. If things get really serious, the operator can call in a security team to arrive with the police. Ever heard of City 17 from the Half-Life games? In the game, drones watch over everything. Well, real life has caught up to that sci-fi concept. Nowadays, little drones are keeping an eye on all sorts of places. These drones, called Tando, hang out on the ceiling on special charging tiles when they're not buzzing around. When it's go time, these little guys use regular heat-sensing cameras to get a full 360 degrees view of rooms and hallways, sending all that info to the cloud. Equipped with AI, they're not just for catching burglars. They can also spot things like fires or leaks and alert an operator. The company behind this technology believes it will be cheaper than hiring human guards. Are we looking at another job that will be taken over by machines? Joe Curran served in the US Army and worked as both a firearms trainer and a deputy sheriff. Later, he used his experience to develop protective gear. Curran's company, Bullet Blocker, created the first bulletproof backpack for students. As a father of two, he was deeply concerned about their safety, especially after the tragic events at Virginia Tech. Now, Bullet Blocker backpacks are protecting students all over the United States. These backpacks have passed tests to meet NIJ Level 3A standards using .357 Magnum, .44 Magnum, 9mm, .45, and other bullets. The backpack costs $200. Bullet Blocker also makes bags, folders, and other items. For instance, their protective panel has been tested with .45 ACP bullets from 1.5 meters away, and their folding shield, which can be carried like a bag, quickly opens to 150 by 81 centimeters in dangerous situations. The creators of Face know how to grab people's attention. Their Kickstarter page features a picture of a house on fire with the words, "We have a wildfire problem. What if this was my home? What if I lost everything in a pile of ash?" They also share some alarming stats. In just 3 years, fires have burned over 3 million hectares in California and destroyed almost 50,000 buildings. That's where Face comes in. It's composed of sprinkler heads placed around the perimeter that automatically spray fire-extinguishing chemicals within a 1.5 meter radius in case of a fire, creating a barrier to stop the fire from spreading. These sprinklers can also be installed inside rooms. You can get one unit on Kickstarter for $99. Theft Stopper is a simple solution and a great complement to a conventional alarm system. It's mounted on the door and flashes when opened. Additionally, it beeps at 105 dB, the noise level of a motorcycle or a drill. The alarm can sound for 30 seconds, 3 minutes, or until a guard arrives to manually turn it off. This solution costs $82 and adapts to almost any door, whether it opens upwards, downwards, to the left, or to the right. Meanwhile, Rotorspike has created spikes with a special shape that makes it nearly impossible to climb without getting hurt. What do you think about these amazing inventions? We're looking forward to hearing your opinions in the comments. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like our channel and subscribe.